A pre-owned 2014 Ford Escape SE. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 201,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.